Hello, in front of me I have HAYLOU GST watch, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First, we need to open the HAYLOU Fan application on our phone, that is paired with our watch, of course. So let's open the application. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on the My Smart Device, right here. Now you should see the HAYLOU GST on the list. Tap on it to select it. Now you should see the HAYLOU GST page, device page basically for our watch. Find the settings icon in the top right corner and tap on it. Then tap on the Unbind a Device button and tap on Confirm. Your watch will start resetting itself to the factory default settings, and after a couple of seconds the app should be back to the home page, so let's wait. Here we are on the home page, and now it doesn't say My Smart Device anymore, it says Add Device. If you have more devices than the watch paired to your phone via this app, you will still see the option My Smart Device, but if you don't, you have no devices connected to your phone via this app, it will just say Add Device. You can also open the Bluetooth settings on your phone, and in the Bluetooth settings you should have the list of connected devices to your phone. And if you see the watch on the list, the HAYLOU GST, then you can remove it from this list. As you can see on my list, it's not here, but if for some reason it is on yours, you can find the HAYLOU GST on this list. Tap on the settings icon next to it. For example, I'm gonna tap on the settings icon next to this device, but that's just example. Then tap on Forget, and then tap on Forget Device to forget the device. And this should remove your HAYLOU GST from the list. And that means that the devices are unpaired completely. Okay. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.